Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how to make the easiest wreath. You do not need any experience making wreaths to make this wreath. It is so simple and it turns out beautiful. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this wreath, you're going to need one 24-inch greenery wreath. You're going to need 3 rolls of 10-inch mesh, and each roll has 10 yards on it. So 3 rolls of 10-inch mesh, and each roll has 10 yards. I ordered my mesh online from Craft Outlet. You are also going to need some ribbon with wire. This is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. I picked it up just a week or so ago at Walmart in the fall section. You're also going to need some 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and I'm using those to make 2 bows. I picked up this adorable Scarecrow sign online at Craft Outlet. So you're going to need a sign. It doesn't have to be a scarecrow if you don't want it to be, and you can make this for any season or holiday. I did not need or use the raffia, but I did use some pretty floral picks. You do not have to use 3 colors of mesh. You can use 2 colors or 1 color. It's up to you, but you will need 3 rolls. And you're going to take your mesh and you're going to cut it into 24-inch strips. You'll want to fluff your greenery wreath or your Christmas wreath is what I usually call them. So fluff your wreath, and then you're going to take your strip of mesh, have it curling toward the ceiling, take one end, roll the end 2 or 3 times, and then take a chip clip or a clothespin, put it on that end you rolled, go to the opposite end. You're going to roll that end about 3 times. Then you're going to take your fingers, walk them up the center of your mesh until you get to the other end. Then remove your chip clip, and now you have a beautiful woodland ruffle. And then now we're going to the outer edge of your greenery wreath, the outer edge, and you're putting your ruffle between 2 of your little greenery strips or branches, and then twist those branches around it several times, and then fluff your ruffle. Same steps. Now I am doing a pattern with mine, so I'm taking my next strip, rolling it a few times, putting my chip clip on it, going to the other end. Same steps. I'm going to roll it about 3 times, and then I'm going to walk my fingers up the center of the mesh. Then I'm going to remove my chip clip, and I'm going to take that ruffle, and remember I'm on the outer edge of this circle of this wreath, opening up 2 little branches, going right beside the other ruffle, and I'm going to twist those branches around my little woodland ruffle. Next, I'm going to go with the pretty gold color mesh. Same steps. I am using the woodland ruffle method. This method keeps the fraying down, so if you don't like working with mesh because of the fraying, this method is wonderful for keeping down the fraying. So I am going to continue making woodland ruffles and go all the way around the outer edge of my Christmas wreath. This really doesn't take as much mesh as you would think. I cut a total of 18 strips of mesh. I cut 4 of the yellow or the gold, 4 of the blue, and 10 of the tan. The reason I used more of the tan is because I decided to use the tan in the center of the wreath. That way the colors wouldn't take away from the cute Scarecrow sign. Today is August 2nd, 2022. Can you believe how fast summer is flying by? I cannot believe it's already August, but it's time to do my August giveaway or my monthly giveaway. If you have been following my channel for very long, you know that I like to do monthly giveaways. Well, I kind of took off a couple months for summer to spend some time with my children, but I am ready to start back doing my monthly giveaways. For this month's giveaway, I am going to be giving away a $25 gift card. On September 1st, 2022, I will announce the winner of the giveaway, and that person who wins can choose whether they want their $25 gift card from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, or Starbucks. To enter this month's giveaway, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like my August videos, and on my August videos, write the 2 words August giveaway in the comments section. This giveaway is not sponsored or endorsed by YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do something to say thank you. You must also be 18 years or older to enter and a U.S. resident. On September 1st, 2022, we will draw one name, and I will, on this video right here, below your comment, I will let you know that you are the winner of my August giveaway, and I will only ask for your mailing address. I will give you my email, and you'll have 1 week to email me your mailing address and let me know which gift card you want. Also, if you would like some extra entries into this month's giveaway, let me know. When you share one of my tutorials, let me know, and that way I can give you an extra entry into this month's giveaway. So back to the wreath tutorial. For this wreath, I am just going along the outer edge of this wreath and adding my woodland ruffles. Now I'm doing the pattern with the colors, but like I mentioned earlier, you can do 2 colors. You can do only 1 color. It's whatever you would like. So here it is with the outer circle complete. So I did 4 yellow, 4 blue, and you'll see where the rest of the tan come in just a minute. So the center will get covered a little bit with the scarecrow sign, but I wanted to fill in, so that's where I used the rest of the tan. So same steps, I made woodland ruffles and I just placed them in the middle. If you do yours just like I did mine, you will have some mesh left over. Okay guys, so what do you think so far? This wreath is so simple to make, turns out so full and pretty. Just think, this wreath would be so pretty for Halloween, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, Easter, Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness, the color combinations, they're endless. So this is a great wreath for any holiday, special occasion, or just to decorate your front door, or just to let someone know you're thinking of them. I like to make wreaths to give to my neighbors and my friends and family. It's just something that I can do to let them know how much I love them and appreciate them. For this wreath, I tied 2 bows. I added the larger bow at the bottom, and then I tied a smaller bow and added it to the top just above the scarecrow sign. So for this bow, I'm using the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. I did 2 loops on the left and 2 loops on the right. And then I took the 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire, let out a tail, went directly on top of the orange ribbon, same steps, 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right. I just made them about the same size as the orange loops. Just make sure you fluff all your loops on your bow, and then this is the big bow for the bottom. And I did trim my tails just a little bit shorter. They were a little bit too long, and then I tied a smaller bow for the top right above the Scarecrow sign. And I just used a zip tie to attach the Scarecrow sign to the wreath ring or the wreath form, the metal part. And now I'm taking some floral wire, just threading it underneath the zip tie. That way I can easily attach my bow to my wreath. And so you're just going to take your wires and you are going to thread the wires through the wreath, then go to the back, give your wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. And this is just 20 gauge floral wire, and I am just threading the wires through the mesh, through the greenery wreath. Then I'm going to go to the back, then I am going to give them a twist, cut them off short, and fold them down. Then make sure you fluff the loops of your bow again, and then here, same steps, I'm adding the bow at the bottom. So it's very important to thread your wire through. And the last thing I did to this wreath is I took some inexpensive floral picks that I picked up at Dollar Tree and Dollar General and Walmart. I just took the pick. This one right here is from Dollar Tree. I just love those pumpkins, and they come in several different colors. I cut the pick a little bit shorter, added some hot glue, some Gorilla Glue hot glue to the end of it, and then I just pushed it into the Christmas wreath and let it dry for a little bit. For my September giveaway, would y'all like for me to give away a wreath that I make here on YouTube? Is that an option that y'all would like, or do you want me to keep doing the $25 gift cards? Let me know in the comments section what you would like. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. What do you think? Was this not the easiest wreath to make? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.